Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My husband loves dress shoes that have really unique and different looks to them, and this pair from Meijiana definitely fits the bill if you're looking for something unique and stylish. This pair of dress shoes has a unique embossing, as you can see on the top, and it also has an alternating matte and glossy stripe that goes across. The striping and the detailing are perfectly done on both of the shoes, and the shoes themselves fit really well. My husband is a size 12, and they are definitely true to size. They add in some nice cushioning to the soles. The shoes are made from synthetic materials, however, they are well made and they are very attractive looking. The bottoms of the shoes also have a unique detailing on the rubber sole. You can see the black and the blue feature, which is a really nice detailing. And the outside, you can see the stitching is well done and the shoes are very attractive. He said that this is a beautiful, well-made, and well-fitting pair of shoes. That's what you're looking for as well, then you got to check them out. But that's just my point of view.